boosting your mood, understanding, lift one's spirits. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that's all about positivity and encouragement. Lift one's spirits. Whether you're learning English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding this phrase can add a lovely nuance to your conversations. So, let's get started and find out how we can lift each other's spirits today. Lift one's spirits is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of making someone feel happier or more hopeful. When life gets tough, or when someone feels down, certain actions, words, or events can brighten their mood significantly. This phrase captures that beautiful transition from feeling low to feeling uplifted and positive. To truly grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some examples. The surprise party my friends threw for me really lifted my spirits. Listening to my favorite music always lifts my spirits after a hard day. Seeing the sun after several days of rain lifted everyone's spirits in the town. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express a shift towards a more positive emotional state. Understanding idiomatic expressions like lift one's spirits is crucial for language learners. It helps you to communicate more naturally and understand the emotional nuances in conversations. Idioms add color to our language and allow us to express complex feelings and situations in a few words. Here are some tips to start incorporating this phrase into your English. 1. Listen for context. Pay attention to the context in which native speakers use the phrase. This will help you understand its nuances. 2. Practice makes perfect. Try using lift one's spirits in your conversations or writing. You could say, "This beautiful weather really lifts my spirits," or ask someone, "What lifts your spirits when you're feeling down?" 3. Emotional connection. Use the phrase to connect with others emotionally. Showing empathy by acknowledging someone's need to have their spirits lifted can deepen your relationships. We hope this exploration of lift one's spirits has indeed lifted yours and added a valuable expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about connecting with others and expressing the wide range of human emotions. So, go ahead, spread some positivity, and lift someone's spirits today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing more insightful content your way.